Hi friends, this video shows how to transfer photos, videos, any files from iPhone to Android without using any app, without installing any new app. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First, in this iPhone, let me go to settings. So here you can see I have connected this iPhone to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. In Android phone, let me go to settings. Go to network and internet. See, this Android phone also connected to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. First we have to connect both iPhone and Android phone to same Wi-Fi network. If you don't have Wi-Fi network, you can also use mobile data, but in that case the speed of the file transfer will be slow. Okay, then in iPhone I am going to open Safari web browser, then Google Snapdrop. Open this website snapdrop.net. In Android phone, open Firefox web browser. We can also use Google Chrome browser, Google Snapdrop. Here also open same website snapdrop.net. Done. Here you can see name of this Android phone, Peach. Here you can see the name of this iPhone, Lime. You can see this name, Lime. This Android phone has detected. You can see Lime Monkey. And this name Peach, you can see this iPhone has detected. So next I am going to transfer one file from this iPhone to Android phone. So here tap on this Android phone name, then tap on choose files. So let me select one file from this list. So let me select this one, then tap on open. See, now I can see that file here in this Android phone. Tap on save, tap on download. Done. So now I have successfully transferred one file from iPhone to Android. Tap on open. See, this is the file. So same way we can transfer video file, any files. Okay. Next I am going to transfer one file from this Android phone to iPhone. This time in this Android phone, tap on this iPhone name. Tap here, then tap on go to images. So I am going to select one image to transfer. So let me select this image. See, we can see that image here in this iPhone. Tap on save, tap on download. Done. So now I have successfully transferred that image from this Android phone to iPhone. Let me verify. In iPhone, go to files, go to iCloud Drive, go to downloads. So here you can see that transferred image. See, so this way we can transfer photos, videos, any files from iPhone to Android, Android to iPhone. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.